Welcome to the Surreal Stoic channel, your destination for self-reflection and personal growth. Today, we'll explore the inspiring concept of silent elimination, discovering how subtle choices can profoundly transform your life by shedding what no longer contributes to your growth. Join us as we delve into the 6 secrets of this silent transformation. In this video, we'll address 6 crucial things to quietly remove from your life in specific situations. Sharing with everyone may not always be appropriate, as it can attract unwanted attention and unnecessary conflicts. Let's uncover these aspects that warrant distance and rejection in silence. As always, I encourage you to stay committed and watch until the end for an enriching learning experience. Remember that true strength lies in persistence. Many give up easily, but you're different. Together, we are stronger. Enjoy the next few minutes of deep self-reflection. We are confident that the content we share will make a significant difference in your life. Without further ado, let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and growth together. The first point to consider is when dealing with people who cause you harm. It's not always necessary to provide explanations. Those who bring suffering into your life don't always require justifications or discussions due to their negative attitudes. In such cases, it's often better to move forward without seeking to justify your choices. Maintain your calm and focus on your own development, as time will reveal the consequences of their actions. Concentrate on self-care and let the future determine what's best for both parties. The second point involves unnecessary goals. There are times when you need to leave certain goals behind to prioritize a path that aligns better with your essence. This is perfectly normal. However, it's crucial to silently eliminate these unessential goals and avoid revealing your entire strategy to the world. Be discreet, protect your plans, and let authenticity guide your decisions. Thirdly, when it comes to relationships, be it friendships or romances, it's important not to divulge intimate details or confide in third parties about the reasons behind a friendship or relationship's end. Keep these matters private, allowing internal reflection to aid in the process of acceptance and healing. In times of stress, avoid venting or shouting in front of others. Instead, channel your emotions into something constructive. Maintain self-control, reflect on your emotions, and silently resolve stressors. The fifth point encourages avoiding sharing negative judgments about others. Be diplomatic in your interactions, regardless of your personal preferences. Act respectfully and empathetically, contributing to harmonious environments and healthier relationships. Lastly, it's crucial to avoid constant comparisons with others. Everyone has their unique path, and comparing yourself to others can hinder your emotional well-being and personal growth. Instead, focus on your own journey, celebrate your progress, and cultivate gratitude for your circumstances. In conclusion, small, discreet changes can lead to significant transformations in your life. At the Surreal Stoic channel, we're dedicated to personal growth and the pursuit of authenticity. We hope the lessons shared in this video inspire you to continue on your path of self-discovery and development. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and leave your comments. Together, we are stronger in our quest for a more meaningful life. Thank you for joining us on this journey.